Titus Talbot is an American YouTube star. He got a lot of fame and attention after being viral as a mini Jake Paul. Titus Talbot was born on May 24, 2014 in Santa Cruz. He is the only son of the YouTuber couple Travis Talbot and Corey Struve Talbot. He has two younger sisters named Rhett and Bowie. The Talbot family currently lives in the Upper West Side of Santa Cruz. He made his YouTube debut in the February 2016 video 1-year-old Titus snowboarding in South Lake Tahoe. In 2019, he released a song called Ice Cream. He rose to fame appearing with his parents on their YouTube family blogging channel Trav and Core. He would later gain viral fame as Mini Jake Paul, appearing in impersonation videos and on an Instagram account of the same name. Titus has an Instagram page of the same name as his pseudonym, which is managed by his father. He is also part of two other Instagram pages, the family's main account and the account that Titus shares with his younger sister. Titus was about 9 months old. He made headlines after being clicked with the legendary Hollywood actor Bill Murray. The actor lifted baby Titus above his head in front of a gallery at the Pebble Beach Golf Links located in California during an ongoing event. The photo was published on the first page of almost all local newspapers, including the Santa Cruz Sentinel. Titus stepped into the social media scene when he was just a toddler. His parents, who were then planning to start a blog, finally created their family channel Trav and Core. Although they created the channel a few months after Titus was born, they posted their first video 2 years later. Taylor's debut video, titled 1-year-old Titus Snowboarding Epic, featured title Titus trying to snowboard to South Lake Tahoe, probably for the first time. The video soon caught the attention of many. The couple then began vlogging regularly, and with time the channel gained a decent subscription base. When Titus grew up a little, his father included him in a number of comedy videos and prank videos. In one of such video, little Titus impersonated popular social media star and Vine artist Jack Paul. The video titled 3-Year-Old Jack Paul.